Good Wednesday afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your much quieter and calmer forecast for today. We've got sunshine, those winds actually light compared to yesterday. Again, those winds reaching close to 60 miles per hour at DIA yesterday, 70 mile per hour winds reported in Lyman. So let's go ahead and take you outside right now and up to the mountains. This is a live look at I-70 near Loveland Pass in the Eisenhower-Johnson tunnels, and you can see beautiful blue skies as you look to the east. A little bit of a different story as you look to the west, as we do have a storm approaching, one of two storms that we're tracking headed our way this week. And then as we head into Monday, we're looking at a big switch. We're talking highs in the 30s on Friday, 70s on Monday. Beautiful blue skies out over downtown Denver right now. We're at 50 degrees at DIA, winds out of the southeast, only about 15 miles per hour. Your forecast, we're going to warm up a couple degrees likely as we head into the 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock hour. And we're still in the 50s at 5, but we get increasing clouds as we head into the overnight hours and possibly a little bit of light rain as well. We are tracking, again, a couple systems making their way through the mountains and bringing a little bit of precipitation, both in the form of some rain and eventually some snow here at the lower elevations. But as for today, again, just increasing clouds. That's all we're dealing with as we head into the nighttime hours. And again, overnight, possibly some light rain, maybe even some storms to the north of the metro area along I-25 and up to the northeast. Otherwise, mostly sunny. Temperatures topping out in the low to mid 50s for this afternoon, and we're looking at highs again mainly in the upper 40s, low to mid 50s across the plains, 30s and 40s in the mountains for the most part. Okay, so we did get this now a winter storm warning everywhere you see there in red. Still have a winter storm watch in blue, but again, what was just a winter storm watch at noon has been upgraded to a winter storm warning again for, say, Aspen and Vail and some of the higher peaks above 8,000 feet of Summit County and the northern mountains as well. So above 8,000 feet, we're looking at significant snowfall anywhere from just several inches to about 16, 17, 18, 19, even possibly up to 20 inches of snow, 55 mile per hour wind gusts with this storm. So again, significant snow falling in the mountains, and that will lead to significant travel impacts with some slick driving conditions. Again, this starts tonight. Those warnings and those watches going to affect tonight and extend through Friday. Could get some slick driving conditions in the mountains all the way through Saturday morning, but we'll keep you posted on that. As for your live radar, we've got a ridge of high pressure still in command of our weather system, and that is keeping us dry and sunny across much of the state right now. But again, things change as we head into, this is 8 o'clock this evening. You start to see that moisture in the form of snow. A little bit of rain at the lower elevations, but snow up in the high country. Rabbit Ears Pass certainly being impacted. I-70 being impacted at 8 o'clock tonight by the snow starting to filter in. And then as we head into the 10 o'clock, 10:30 hour, we do see precipitation move down into the I-25 corridor. Fort Collins, likely some rain, possibly some claps of thunder as well up near the Wyoming border. And that continues into the morning's hours. So what we thought would be some thunderstorm activity, again, closer to the metro area, looks to be a little bit more north, so the system tracking a bit more north when it comes to those showers. And as we head into tomorrow morning, we're looking actually fairly clear in and around the metro area, and certainly dry I-25 corridor out to the east. Snow continuing up in the high country. Let's go ahead and zoom into the metro area because this modeling changing a little bit from what we saw earlier today. So continued snow up in the high country, but again, north of the metro area, this is overnight tonight, possibly some stronger showers or some thunderstorms. This is Longmont stretching into Keensburg, Loveland, Greeley may see some of that activity again overnight, and now that pushes off to the north as we head into tomorrow morning and just waking up to a few clouds, but also some sunshine for tomorrow. As for those winds, again picking up a bit as we head into tomorrow morning, certainly up in the high country. Those usual spots where we see those stronger winds. Also up in the northeast corner of the state, we're going to get that 30+ mile per hour wind gusts as that system moves on through. As for snow, again, here in the metro area, not looking at any measurable snow for tomorrow morning, but again, a good 2+ inches up in the high country. Forecast lows for tonight, 20s and 30s across the plains. We're looking at mainly 20s in the mountains. Tomorrow, clouds increase. We do have that system bringing in rain late tomorrow after about 8 o'clock, it looks like, and then overnight transitioning to snow, and then waking up to a little bit of snow on Friday morning as well. Tomorrow go warmer with highs topping out in the mid to upper 50s. We're looking at 50s, some 60s, even some low 70s down across the southeast corner of the state. 30s and 40s in the mountains. All right, here's a look at our futurecast as we track those two storms. One, again, coming in tonight. Snow to the high country, and then possibly a little bit of rain, possibly a thunderstorm along I-25 north of the metro area overnight. And then we continue to see that snow up in the mountains for tomorrow morning. And then as we head into tomorrow night, this is 7 o'clock tomorrow night, we do start to see that precipitation move into the metro area. I want to point out, mountain travel starting this evening is going to be difficult. Winter-like driving conditions starting tonight all the way through Saturday morning, at least through Friday, likely into Saturday morning as well up in the high country. So again, travel's going to be impacted by this storm in the mountains, no question. Down at the lower elevations, this is tomorrow evening at about 7 o'clock, and again we see that wintry mix metro area north along I-25 and to the northeast. So 76 also may be impacted. Looks like just rain showers along I-70 out east, and then as we head into the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock hour, that wintry mix transitions to all snow in the metro area. So stretching from the Palmer Divide north through the metro all the way up to the Wyoming border and out I-76 as well, including the mountains west of the metro area all the way through to the Utah border. So we are going to get snow in the mountains continuing into the metro area overnight into Friday morning, and waking up to a little bit of snow in the metro area, certainly heavier snow to the west of the metro. But as we head into the afternoon hours, you can see where that snow slides down to the south. So this is, I'm going to walk this back. Do we have the time? 2070, right? We have just a couple more minutes. I just want to walk this back. As we head into Friday afternoon, here's what's interesting. You can see the snow, again, heavier both just to the west of the metro and to the south of the metro, all the way along I-25. So Castle Rock, Parker, Centennial, likely to see some evening snow, and this could impact your evening commute a bit, making it a little slick. We're not expecting any intense accumulations, maybe half an inch to an inch. We're calling maybe a trace to 2 inches at this point, but again, just the timing of it could make for some slick travel conditions. So just be aware that we're going to still see some snow likely to the west of the metro and south of the metro as we head into Friday evening, before all clears out and we start to warm up as we spring forward as well. Don't forget about that. But we are calling a potential weather impact day for Friday. Trace to 2 inches of snow expected, and again, continued mountain snow, and then that is going to create certainly some slick ski traffic for folks heading up on Friday afternoon. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 50s through tomorrow. That rain moves in late tomorrow night, transition to snow into Friday morning for the metro area. So again, expect some light snow and cold temperatures going from the mid to upper 50s to mid to upper 30s on Friday. We start to clear on Saturday. We also start to warm up, and we're going to be 65 degrees on Sunday. Don't forget to spring forward, change those clocks, 70 degrees and sunshine on Monday. That is a quick look at your weather on this Wednesday afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.